go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names a dini the a brave. Where this be what matter come? What be the matter where you come? This matter where you come, it be what? It be sad news, brother, sister. The matter where you come be say, some sure the be where you chop 16 years, where you dey Panadash. It be there Indian and there foreign countries, no way, it dey there no. Where you kill in Poppy where you now born him, you kill him. The matter where happen be say, now the kid know that in mommy then like in brothers, them all day one table top when they discuss them are what them are elder brother in what in marriage. He said that my elder brother they can't marry them thing. So then they talk how the marriage go on, say they for buy this, they for do that, they call them. He say they married yeah. You go talk say this color then will be me could do the receptionist for here, me could do for this church inside and thing. So it tell and then they discuss this thing. Then they discuss the matter no where the Poppy come. The Poppy ni come no, brother, sister. Now the man need boost. The man need boost to the extent say Charlie, you know they find say in leg this or in what in hand this. Where the man they come no, then they discuss no. The man they come put him on for the matter inside way like then talk something and now you go talk another thing. Then talk something and now you go talk another thing. Where they show the anyway just 16 years and not started talking Poppy say make it sure they do what they do no? Because what they do need why? Because them no, they make serious way then they discuss matter where you go help what the family you know because them my elder brother need they can't marry so they for day in back then they for show him what he will do so that the marriage need go be what fair so that everybody will know say this family there what we tear one brother in face where the man no know so the man need they do what they do so the kid didn't ball the kid didn't ball big time you born no where you go kitchen giddy no where you go way frying pan where they take do things food no where take out whacking Poppy in head you take whacking Poppy in head no in Poppy in fall but Poppy in fall no blood will ooze out for in Poppy in body where the man no do what the man no die cry away as I talk plus you right now no say live in power where we dey talk we dey eat we dey do one things we dey do plenty things for the other side the man know they what they do them things from the man what the man die when it happen so no you be shocked the matters have when they discuss now about the marriage no then show they discuss the thing where the shot in big phone where you call police people where you narrate everything what show them where right now they can't take the kidney go what police station make I talk with something. If you be man and woman, alcohol be something where you don't know. Some people talk say me, I know say I suck alcohol. I no go booze me. Alcohol they no go feel booze me because me I know my limit. Make I talk. You dey lie yourself. Alcohol be something where you don't know say Charlie this one I suck I go be okay or Charlie this thing there I know say I suck this but I go be okay. Alcohol no they do so. Alcohol na kasa home. Plenty people take them a problems give alcohol. Alcohol no dey solve problem. If you get problem where you go suck alcohol, if you say Charlie you go bed or you go do what? You go do something where if or not what? If or not do something where you be normal with your brain the function where say you no go do no. You go suck alcohol, you go what? You go do them things where you now go to say this thing where I dey do there what I dey do that be the what? The effect of alcohol. Where this word where we dey inside no. Alcohol be something where it is poor man in what in lifestyle. It is poor man in daily lifestyle. You know they make man they what save money do something better give in himself. It about because every money be where you go get where you go the alcohol like bad and things neutral. If you be someone where they suck alcohol, you go there pet people where them dead there no where you tell like them new way them be popular like then they for spy house and things no. You go there sometimes some know they give money for what. Give money for house so some no get properties and things so buy you go them and miss where you go there the alcohol them go buy give you brother man they go make you booze but if you talk them say make them give you the money say if they take go buy food they no go mind you that so come they go talk say nah alcohol they go buy give you make you suck but food there Charlie go set your own food and what then suck see what the man cost right now in Kidino where he chop 16 years in do one because of alcohol. He suck alcohol. It about where the Kidino to know first. He say quick temper there, it something. Where you know say they plenty society inside say plenty people where they suck alcohol and we don't respect them because we they see them as what they get like loud voice than thing, the way they behave, they get brass for them body top, the way them body send they do. So if you be someone cry where you are responsible for something cry where you suck alcohol away, like you boost they display them things now. That person where they give the person, or that person will go out, go dead down. That be what the kid in go inside where he degrading puppy to the level say he go kill him. Right now the man die. Where the kid in to you know do it, you know force. If you are puppy, your puppy they interrupt and thing. Now you people go to say okay, we close the what the matter no. If you see say the matter need to go this one, you close some. Sometimes the puppy you know there. If people go feel calm then can't do the matter no what again the everything be go on. This be the matter way what it can't with me flambo. I talk my own. If you go feel leave your comment, it be very what necessary. Leave for the comment box inside. If you near you go all on a social media platform and you go follow us, the name need what too much what GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what work. Pow pow pow.
Too much GH. We need to go to Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaac Ojuampo. We between am the great tempo. Bring. One man come on here Too Much GH. Too much GH. Too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.